Dear blockchainer, crypto trader and community, welcome to this Trade of the Week video provided by Teroxx. We will do a short analysis of BTC and analyzing our trades, and as well giving of course some insights and thoughts about these trades. To start, long positions are always the same. The buy point should be lower than the sell points so that you can book profits. Reasons to buy: a huge dip and no rebounds yet. Upcoming news of a token or a project. Analysis is showing some opportunities. So basically, if your indicators are showing some good buy points, if there is a volume or vol breakout, or if there is a project that is not bottom out yet. We saw this on the Launchpad token sealer Fed last week or the last weeks. And very important, always use a stop loss. Reasons to sell: stop loss hits, that's not nice, but it's part of the game. Trailing stop loss hit that you will see in a few minutes, and it's something that is really cool. Indicators or technical analysis showing a trend change. You feel comfortable with your profits, or if you're touching resistance levels of the prices are bouncing back, this can as well be an indicator or a good sell point for you. All in all, there is no golden rule or golden nugget for selling. These are just a few options, and of course always feel comfortable, have confidence to sell whenever you want to. Here you can see analysis of BTC from this week, and how you can see it's dipped. Okay, so basically Bitcoin dipped. So we had these 9,000 resistance levels, or near 9,000, and this was definitely the peak. Broke the 9,000 with one candle. The market break immediately down, recovered a little, and had another dip, another sell-off. People booked profits, and the correction was overdue. So all in all, this market week was dominated by 3 dips. One over here, one over here, and one over here. And if we're thinking about from the top to bottom of this week, the price went down 16%, and right now we are down around 13%. This is not quite bearish due to the bull run was so huge that these small corrections are just part of the game, and they should be very fine. What we can see is that we had a support line down here and a support line down here, and both were broken by a huge dip. This support line was broken with a huge dip, and this as well. So all in all, right now the bullish support line is around 7,500, and of course, how you can see, this support line, this former support line, now is a resistance level line where the price touched 3 times and always bounced back. In a bullish situation, we can see 8,000 or a little higher very soon again. In a bearish situation, we can easily go down to 7,000 or even lower, due to there is no real support line until the price of 7,200. And yeah, as well, the MA50 line is down below the MA140 line. This showed that the last 140 days, in summary, were quite better or more bullish than the last 50. And how you can see over here, it was the opposite. So you can say that there were huge dip the last days. But now analyze the trades. You may know we're always posting on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter our trade of the weeks, and these were the trades from last week. And yeah, I think they are quite fine. We had KMD against BTC, IOTA against USDT, Tron or TRX against USDT, and EOS down here against USDT. All in all, last week, not this week I showed you, but the week before, the crypto market saw another green wave. Due to this good market situation, we were able to close many good trades. We saw KMD and IOTA with 16%, EOS with 9.8%, and Tron with unbelievable 17.2% profits. And now let's see it over. This were the market week or the market situation we had as we traded KMD against BTC. What is quite interesting is that against BTC, okay, a lot of coins down a lot from the peak. It's not about USD prices, it's just about the BTC value. And here you can easily see that we had a support line down here and down here, at 14,000 satoshis and at 14,250 satoshis, and then we had a huge breakout with one candle, and this candle, or these three candles next to each other, on the one hand side built a support line, then immediately pushed to the bottom and immediately crashed down. This is a simple pump and dump in this crypto market, especially against BTC, due to the volume is not that high. Hit this resistance level again, broke down and broke it after 2 tries and built a new resistance level between 19,000 satoshis and 19,800 satoshis and broke a little down again. All in all, how you can see, a high volatile market pair, a high volatile trading pair, and we managed to get in at a support line and sold at the resistance levels. Quite a nice trade, quite a good entry point, but all in all, as well as you can see, especially this is just a pump and dump. It's just not about a real organic volume, and afterward it was a nice trend change to the top, which is quite bullish. You can see the same with IOTA against USDT. The market was flat for a while. How you can see, it was like flat for more than 1 week. There were no positive trend change. The market went slightly negative, so no good buy points. But of course, we had the support line down here at 0.37, and then a little trend started around the night of the 27th with a huge spike up to a new resistance level near 40 cent and going down a little to build a new support line at 41 cents. Afterwards, you can see, like on all the other crypto pairs, there was quite a nice bull run, and in this movement of 31% within 1 day, and this is quite bullish, and this was a bullish scenario, we managed to get in at a support line again, sold as resistance line, sold within 1 day. Quite a nice day trade, quite a nice show how the volatile style should be used in this market to be always on the right point or on the right buy point at the right. Last but not least, let us take a look on Tron or TRX, and there you can see it's slightly different to IOTA due to it has a spike in the first days of this week we're looking at, and had another dip like IOTA 2, but there's 2 support lines down here, and with building the second support line, it started as well as a lot of other pairs, and here you can see as well that we had 34% within 2 days, and we managed to get in at nice levels to book these 17% profits. And how you can see, after this bull run is always the same, market going down a little, building new support lines, and here we had the trading stop loss that choked us out of the market, and we booked nice profits. All in all, quite a bullish last week. You will see that this week was not that bullish, and we had a lot of dips, but always looking for the opportunities to buy and sell in high volatile market. If the market is very, very flat, you have a high risk due to you never know where the price will go when you're having a long flat run. But all in all, keep an eye on these volatile styles. Keep an eye when prices are dipping. Keep an eye on when prices are at support lines to have good buy or good entry points. All in all, I hope you like this video. We had a great last week for trading. We had quite a bullish scenario, and we had quite good trade we can show you. And we will hear us next time when it comes to Trade of the Week provided by Teroxx.